Today, I'm going to share with you how I made this pineapple flavored cake without using any milk. No powdered milk, no liquid milk. Hello, creative bangers. Trust me, you are going to love this recipe. Now we start with the dry ingredients. In a bowl, I added 2 cups of all-purpose flour. To the flour, I'm going to add baking powder and salt. Go ahead and sift. After sifting, you are going to mix to combine very well. Remember to always sift your flour before making use of it. Very important. Now, once that is done, I am going to set it aside. In another bowl, I'm going to add 200 grams of soft margarine. If you are using butter, make sure it's also soft. Use the one at room temperature. Now I am going to whisk this margarine till it doubles in volume. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, I have been whisking for almost 5 minutes now. You can see that it is looking so fluffy. This is what the texture looks like. Please don't be in a hurry. Take your time and whisk, okay? You can see what the margarine looks like. All right, now I'm going to add sugar. Once I add the sugar, I am going to whisk for about 2 minutes. Then I will go ahead and add oil. All right, now you can add the oil and the sugar at the same time. Whisk together for about 5 minutes or till it is paired yellow and doubled in size. All right, so whichever way you choose is fine. You can add the sugar first and whisk for about 2 minutes, then add the oil and whisk for about 3 minutes, making it 5 minutes. But make sure that you take your time to whisk till it becomes fluffy again. All right, as you can see on the video. Okay, now I'll be using 4 eggs. I am going to add the first 2. All right, once I add the eggs, I am going to add half of the mixed flour. All right, go ahead and mix till everything is well combined. Once that is done, I am going to add the remaining eggs, okay, whisk. Then the flour will be the last thing that I'm going to add. Now once I add the flour, I am going to mix till everything is well combined. Beautiful shout out to you, Olive, watching from Malawi, Sarah from Ghana, Fatima from Sierra Leone, Miriam watching from Cameroon, Favor Asiba watching from Abia State, and Mary all the way from South Africa. Whoops. Oh, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? All right, like I mentioned earlier, that once I add the flour, I am going to mix till everything is well combined. That's exactly what is going on here. Right now, we are done. It is time to add the flavor. Flavor is going to be the last ingredient that I'm going to add, okay? Now I added pineapple flavor and butterscotch. Trust me, these 2 combo is another banger. All right, once I add the flavors, I'm going to use a spatula to do the finishing touch using the cut and fold method. If you're with me at this moment, type cut and fold at the comment section. Okay, after cutting and folding, this is what our cake batter looks like. Super fluffy. I am loving it. It is time to transfer to your well-greased baking pan. All right, once you transfer into the baking pan, you are going to spread it around to be in the same shape with your pan. Once that is done, arrange properly. It is time to bake. Go ahead and bake in a preheated oven for 30 minutes, and there you have it. Now, this is what happened. The part where I brought the cake out from the oven didn't record. I never knew that it wasn't recording. I'm sorry about that. All I did was to just bring the cake out from the oven and transfer into the rack. The lines on the cake comes as a result of the lines on the rack. Okay, do you love what you are seeing? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. It turned out so well. It was one of the best cake I have ever created. I open it and this is what the inside looks like. By the time you're watching this video, it will be 31st December 2025. I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you for staying with me. Thank you for your support. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for watching. Bye.